Giraffes look elegant until you realize they can't even drink water without nearly doing the splits. Let's talk about these awkward supermodels of nature. They're up to 6 meters tall, but their necks are too short to reach the ground. Drinking water? Absolute nightmare. Their heart weighs 11 kilos, basically a built-in high-pressure pump just to send blood up that ridiculous neck. Their 50 cm tongue is dark purple to prevent sunburn. Imagine needing sunscreen for your tongue. Giraffes, majestic, awkward, and living proof that being tall isn't always an advantage. If you just learned something weird today, hit follow for more mind-blowing animal facts.